In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay in installments on Amazon. Welcome to this comprehensive guide where we'll walk through each step that allows you to make your Amazon purchases more manageable. With installment payments, you have the flexibility to spread out the cost over time, so it's perfect for larger purchases or spreading the cost across a few months. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in using this convenient option for your future shopping. First things first, let's get started by navigating to Amazon's official website or opening your Amazon app. Log into your Amazon account to access personalized features and options. Make sure your account is set up correctly and your payment methods are up to date. To do this, click on your account settings and double-check that your preferred payment method is linked and ready to be used for purchases. Next, it's time to find a product that's eligible for installment payments. Not every item qualifies, so keep an eye out for products offering this option. You can often find this information on the product page, typically under the pricing details. If the item offers installment payments, it will specify how many payments will be split and the amount per payment. Once you've selected your item and confirmed it qualifies for installment plans, add the product to your cart. Now, you'll need to proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll see the option to select your payment preference. You'll often find a radio button or checkbox for choosing installment payments. It's crucial to review the terms and conditions associated with this payment plan. Make sure you understand any additional fees that might apply and how the payments will appear on your statement. After selecting installment payments as your preference, review your shipping details to ensure everything is correct. Double-check your address and any other essential delivery details. This verification step can prevent any unintended delivery hiccups and ensures your item reaches you without any hassle. Now, you'll confirm your purchase. Once you've done that, your first payment is processed. Keep in mind the schedule for your subsequent installments, as these will automatically be charged to your selected payment method at the agreed dates. It's always a good idea to mark these dates in your calendar or set reminders so that you're prepared for when the payments will occur. Lastly, Amazon will keep you updated with notifications, confirming each payment and providing an overview of your payment history. You can always return to your order details page to track your installment plan progress. And there you have it, simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to pay in installments on Amazon. It's an incredibly useful feature for financial management and planning. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!